about 7:40 in the morning and my back is killing me. Yeah, I mean, it's better than sleeping on the ground, but it's hard. My bread dough rose a bit. One side's frozen and the other side's warm. It's kind of like me. Didn't bring a cooking griddle or anything like that. This is real bare minimum camping today. So we're gonna make bread straight on the coals. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. Oh, my butter is so frozen. Melted butter and warm honey. Oh, that's pretty good. Flour is such a great backpacking food. It's so light, it's non-perishable, and it just makes the most delicious things.